Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upgrade to VLLO Premium and unlock all features without any restriction. First, open the VLLO app. Within the home page, at the top left corner, tap on the 3 parallel line icon to open the menu. From the list of the options, tap on VLLO Premium. Now you will be taken to the VLLO Premium screen. Here you will see different upgrade plans including weekly, monthly, annual and lifetime, each with a different price range. If you choose the annual plan, VLLO offers a 3-day free trial and you can cancel anytime during the trial period. For the annual plan, the button will show free 3-day trial, while for the other plans it will say subscribe now. Once you select your preferred plan, tap on the button and a confirmation screen will appear with small detail about the subscription. Now simply follow the on-screen instruction to complete the payment using your Apple ID or Google account. After the payment is successful, you will see a confirmation message, and that's it. You can now enjoy all VLLO Premium features including premiere effects, music, stickers and export without any ads or limitation. And that's how you upgrade to VLLO Premium easily. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more VLLO tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.